a bold symbol of industrial grit and mid-century American design. The 1967 Dodge LN1000 Cabover truck stood as a rugged workhorse in an era of rapid commercial growth and transportation evolution. Built during a time when functionality and durability were paramount, the LN1000 was Dodge's answer to the growing need for high-capacity, city-friendly trucks. Its Cabover engine configuration was not just a stylistic choice. It allowed for better maneuverability in tight urban areas and maximized cargo space without extending the vehicle's length. This practical design made it a favorite among fleet operators, particularly in industries like freight delivery, utility services, and municipal work. Under the hood, the 1967 Dodge LN1000 typically came equipped with a range of powertrain options to suit varying needs. But the most common engine found in these trucks was the robust 361 cubic inch 5.9L Chrysler gasoline V8, producing around 235 horsepower and over 350 pounds-ft of torque. These figures, though modest by modern standards, delivered enough low-end grunt to haul significant payloads while maintaining reliability. Optional diesel engines were also offered, like the Cummins V8, providing superior torque for more demanding applications. The truck featured a 5-speed manual transmission with a 2-speed rear axle, giving it the flexibility to operate efficiently on both highways and within city limits. When compared to its contemporaries like the Ford C-Series and the Chevrolet Tilt Cab, the Dodge LN1000 often flew under the radar, but it held its own with durable construction and a dependable drivetrain. While Ford's C-Series might have offered more customization and Chevrolet boasted broader dealer support, the Dodge LN1000 appealed to buyers who valued solid engineering and mechanical simplicity. It lacked some of the flashier features, but made up for it in toughness and ease of maintenance, earning a quiet but loyal following among fleet managers and independent operators alike. Historically, the LN1000 played a supporting role in America's commercial expansion throughout the late 1960s and early 1970s. It was not the most celebrated vehicle of its time, but it was often the most seen moving cargo, hauling equipment, and contributing silently to the economic engine of the country. Its design marked a transitional phase in truck manufacturing, where co-designs were favored before conventional trucks regained popularity due to changes in safety regulations and driver comfort preferences. Looking ahead, the legacy of the 1967 Dodge LN1000 Cabover truck offers intriguing possibilities in the modern era, as interest grows in restoring vintage commercial vehicles and converting them into electric-powered classics. The LN1000's compact frame and ample undercab space make it an ideal candidate for retrofitting. It also holds aesthetic appeal for reviving the character of industrial Americana.